We are part and parcel of the whole. A microcosm is a part of the macrocosm. You have to become, that doesn't mean with brains, but you have to become on your central nervous system a part and parcel of the whole. Without that, there is no salvation for human beings at all. Because all these theories are taking you towards destruction. What you will be giving to your children is a much worse world than what you found it. It's nice to say today is such a great day of reconciliation. But I wonder, unless and until we know the spirit, I cannot guarantee, or I cannot say with guarantee, that we will not have the third world war of complete destruction. No use carrying banners of peace, stopping the atomic invasion. All that is of no avail whatsoever. We will not be destroyed by atomic bombs. We will be destroyed by ourselves. That is why it is absolutely important at this time to know ourselves. We cannot be indifferent to this important point. Especially I request you, because you are seekers of truth and you are the ones who can save the world. It is such a responsibility on you people that you have to know what is your spirit and what is the spirit of others, how you have to enlighten others. I have been to Himalayas and you will be amazed that in one day 3,000 people came down from hills because they were told that the goddess of Kundalini will be awakened. They are not educated like you, they are not aware like you, they do not know much about life, but they know one thing for definite, that Kundalini awakening is the only way to reach the ultimate. They are pure intelligence. They don't have the ideas of others which have come to us through books and all these things, but they have a pure intelligence of understanding that if you have to go beyond, something has to happen within us which is a living process of the living energies. It cannot be something which can be maneuvered. It cannot be something which can be thought of, but a happening which is a living energy. And this is to be realized by the West. I do not know how to make the Anglo-Saxon brain understand that.